In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT to Zapier. Whether you're new to automation or a seasoned pro, this tutorial will guide you through the process of seamlessly linking these two powerful tools, enhancing your workflow and productivity. To begin, you'll want to ensure that you're logged into your Zapier account. If you don't have one yet, it's quick and free to set up. Once you're on the main dashboard, your journey starts with finding the app connection area. This is where all the magic happens, so let's navigate there together. Look at the main menu and you'll see the app connection option. Give it a click. Next, you should see an option for apps. This is essentially the playground where all your potential integrations reside. By clicking on apps, you're entering a realm of possibilities that allow you to streamline many tasks. Now, you want to redirect your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled App Connection. Go ahead and click on that. This feature is designed to help you add new applications to your suite of integrations quickly and efficiently. Once this page loads, you'll see a search bar prominently positioned on your screen. This is where you get to type in the tool you're looking to connect, in our case, ChatGPT. Start typing ChatGPT into the search bar. As you type, the system may auto-suggest options. Clicking on ChatGPT will initiate the connection process to Zapier. Now it's time to add the connection. You'll notice an Add Connect button. Click on this button to begin integrating ChatGPT with Zapier. This action triggers the setup process, bringing both applications closer together, ready to perform tasks you've automated. You'll be guided through a series of on-screen prompts designed to facilitate this integration. These prompts are there to assist you in granting permissions and understanding what each app can do with the other. It's important to follow each prompt closely, ensuring you give all necessary permissions for a seamless connection between ChatGPT and Zapier. These on-screen instructions are fairly intuitive, sometimes requesting you to log into your accounts again or specify what kind of data access you're allowing. Be sure to read each screen carefully to ensure everything is set up exactly how you want it. And there you have it. You've successfully connected ChatGPT to Zapier, opening up a world of automation possibilities. By following these steps, you'll automate processes and enhance your productivity, saving valuable time in your day-to-day tasks. Remember, if you run into any issues, Zapier has robust support and community forums where you can find additional guidance. Thank you for watching and happy automating!